Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's class. It's great to have you. My name is Kim, and in today's class, you are going to see um, a text message I had exchanged that I had with my mom recently. This happened maybe a week or two ago when my great aunt passed away. And you don't want to make the same mistake that she did. So let's take a look at what she wrote and why it was not the right thing. Okay, here we go. So she texts me and she says, Kim, your great aunt just passed away. Call me LOL. Okay, your great aunt just passed away. And passed away is a more polite way of saying um to die. And then she says, call me LOL. And I'm like, what is happening here? And I say, "OMG, that's awful. Why is that funny? Why is that funny?" And here I use the phrase OMG. And OMG is really popular text speak for oh my goodness. Oh my goodness or oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's awful. Why is that funny? I'm like, what is funny about my great aunt passing away? And if you don't know great aunt, so great aunt means the sister of a grandparent. Okay, so she was my grandma's sister. So, yeah, I'm like, this is not funny to me. Okay, then she responds and said, it's not funny, Kim. I'm very upset. What do you mean? Why is it funny? So she's confused. I think she's laughing, but in her mind, she says, no, this is not funny at all. She's very upset about this. And then I respond to her and I say, LOL means you're laughing out loud. So she wrote LOL, and that means laugh out loud, like at a joke, like ha 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 ha. So literally laughing out loud. So I tell her this, and she says, oh dear, I just sent this to everyone. I thought it meant lots of love. So she, in her mind, it meant something completely different. So she sent it to everybody that she knows. And when she found out this news that someone very special to us passed away, she sent LOL to everyone. So everyone was thinking, why is she laughing? Why is my mom laughing during this sad situation? But she thought it meant lots of love. So completely different in her mind. She also says, oh dear, oh dear. And when we say oh dear together, it has to be together. Oh dear, it means, oh no, I made a mistake. Mistake. So typically we don't call people dear unless they're older, right? And they're calling someone younger dear. But if you're the same age as someone else, we don't address people as dear. We could say though, oh dear, if we've made a mistake. But if we're the same age or close to the same age, we would never say, dear, can you please give me that glass over there? No, it just doesn't sound right. But you can use dear like this. Oh dear, I've made a mistake. Okay, so hopefully you don't make the same mistake that my mom did. She felt very bad and awkward about the situation. And she had to text everyone back and tell them that she made a mistake. She's not actually laughing at the situation. Okay, so today we learned a few little text speak phrases like LOL, laugh out loud, OMG, oh my goodness, and oh dear. It means, oh no, I've made a mistake. Again, my name is Kim, and I want to thank you for coming to today's class. I hope to see you soon in one of my other classes, or maybe you've watched some of my videos. I hope you all have a great day. See you later. Bye.